Hello, we would like to present to you a group video.
We have been asked a couple of questions and we did our best to answer them. So let me ask you, dear Leonardo, what collaborative learning do you think went well?
I think that using the Google Docs to produce the feedback for David classes was useful because we did that together in group and in the same time we had chance to see what my group member is writing. That was useful because we didn't write same thing twice.
Great. So is there anything else? What would you like to say?
Yes. Also, I think that using memplay.com as a collaborative tool went really well. We had access to the video in the same time. We could edit it and point any suggestions that we had. I think that all of our collaborative learning went really good. I didn't expect that we can do the work in groups without any problems with communication. Basically, creating groups in which we are working was a very good idea because we started to talk with people we didn't know. To sum up, I'd like to say that every work we had to do in groups went great and the main goal of it was reached.
Yeah, that was really good answer. But can you tell me what didn't go so well with that?
In my opinion, there was only one problem while we were doing the collaborative work. When we were using the Google Docs, couple of times the network went down so we couldn't save the work and then the internet browser has crashed for me. I believe it was not the problem of Google Docs but our network in Reading College.
Well, I really like your answers. Which collaborative learning tools in your opinion worked well?
We started to use Google Docs to share ideas to make a presentation or general information. Using Docs you can either type to each other. When you type, the text automatically saves so all data and info but in the docs will never be lost. We use Facebook and Twitter to connect with each other outside of class if we need help. With these sites they help communicate between everyone and also can help one another improve their studies. While using an app called Dropbox, it is used for saving and transferring files from different desktops without using a memory stick or mailing more info.
That's true. But there must be disadvantages as well. What do you think about that?
It's all opinion, but I think Google Docs can be helpful for sharing files, but I believe because of how many people using it, it will be slow due to how many users use this application. Also, if the internet goes down, Docs is near on impossible to use. Dropbox could always crash with having too much info and apps to transfer, so that could stop it from working.
If you had the last few days again, what would you do differently and how would you do it differently?
If I had the last few days again, I would better plan and organize myself and my team, as with collaborative working from outside college we had no way to contact each other to do the work needed. Also, I would find a way to contact my team outside college to see how each of us are getting along with our tasks.
If you had the last days again, what would you do the same then? Why would you not change it?
If I had the last few days again, I would not change the way we learned how to use Google Docs because it is such a good tool for working as a team. We can see each other's work while we are writing it. Google Docs is a great way for collaborative working. Not only that, I will also be using it as a back storage place for all my work over the next year in college.